Hello everyone, you're welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time, you're welcome. My name is Dolapo. Today's video is on how to make this beautiful multi-knotted headband. Any type of fabric can be used to achieve yours, but I am using doll face in this video. This is satin doll face. So I have my piece of fabric cut out. The measurement is 100 inches length by 6 inches width. With the right side of the fabric facing up, I folded it in half and I sew for one end to the other end by 1/4 inch. Then I just went ahead to turn the right side of the fabric out. Okay, so I have the right side of the piece of fabric turned out. At this point, you can just go ahead and iron out the piece of fabric, and right here I have my plastic headband covered with my same satin fabric. I have different videos on how to cover your plastic headband with fabric. I'll put the links in the description box below so you can watch if you haven't seen them yet. So I am going to go ahead and make my beautiful headband. At this point, I'd like you to please go ahead and watch the process. Now I'm covering one side of my plastic headband with my fabric. Just watch the way I'm actually doing this, okay? It's not may not be easy for me to explain like that, but just go ahead and watch what I'm doing. Having done that, I'm going to start making some knots on my plastic headband. So please watch this part carefully. I just did a loop to my left hand side like this, and I brought out the remaining fabric. As you can see, I just brought it out from the loop and I pulled to tie it up like that. So while tying it up, I'm going to be ending it on top of the plastic headband. I'll be pulling like that and make sure the knot comes on top of the plastic headband. Then I come to my right hand side. Okay, I come to my right and I did a loop right there. Then I put what I have left into the loop like that and I tie. I just want you to watch the whole process so you understand. I hope you're understanding my explanation, but please watch, you understand. I just pulled like that to the top of the headband. I'm tying it on top of the headband, as you can see, and I come to my left and I repeat the same procedure. So that's just how I'm going to continue to tie, to make my knots on top of the headband till I get to the other end of the plastic headband. Okay, I'm going to continue my knots on top of my plastic headband till I get to this part that I was touching right here, so that we can have that excess for us to do the final wrapping, so that it will look like the first end of the headband. So I'll just go ahead and cover what we have left with my excess fabric. It's just all about folding and then folding over neatly to cover this part. And so we have come to the end of today's video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up, share and leave a comment below. If you are yet to subscribe, please do subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.